Hi everyone, Kelly Covert here, and I'm really excited to bring you another Symphoria sponsor spotlight. I have Colleen Busk here from Olinsky Law, and Olinsky Law is one of our sponsors for this past season, and we've been really wanting to highlight our sponsors and just get to know them a little bit better. Welcome, Colleen.
Thank you for having me, Kelly.
Of course, of course. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Olinsky Law and what you guys specialize in?
So, Olinsky Law Group is a nationwide Social Security disability firm. We have two locations, one being in Syracuse, New York, and one is also in Orlando, Florida. Firm owner and managing partner Howard Olinsky started helping Social Security disability claimants in 1990, and that's when he founded Olinsky Law Group. We do Social Security disability, SSI, long-term disability. We do appeals counsel and federal court nationwide appeals. So, I mean, we can help anyone wherever they are. And we have a very passionate and dedicated team here. And I think that's what makes us unique and great at our jobs, because we are so passionate about what we do.
Mm-hmm.
And I mean, Howard's the stem of everything. He's just, he's got the ultimate passion. And that's why we've been in business for 3 decades. So
That's wonderful. And it sounds like the work that you do is really needed.
yeah, I mean, just knowing that you helped, everyone plays a role in, someone's case, whether it's doing the initial intake or helping them apply for Social Security disability benefits, the representatives and the attorneys who actually, get the medical evidence and they, cross-examine these vocational experts and medical experts, it's just the case managers, they get it's a big, it's amazing. I love to go home at the end of the day and know that I helped someone, survive, or I helped someone get the benefits that they needed to help their family survive. And it's just a very rewarding feeling to know that you helped someone, to go home every day to think that it's a blessing.
Mm-hmm. And it sounds like you are a family there at Olinsky Law. Like we are a family at Symphoria, and we're so honored that you are a part of our family. And I'd love to know, why is supporting Symphoria and the arts important to Olinsky Law?
Well, I would say local business is very important to us. It's a very imperative component to keeping and maintaining the value of a community. Given the recent COVID-19 pandemic, we can now all see how important it is to support local business. And being that we are a smaller business, we understand that as well. So I think that as much as we can, we want to support local business and, come out strong in uncertain times. But, it's very, very important that we keep together as a community. And, we want to support as many small businesses or local businesses as we can to make that community, keep evolving.
Yeah. And the arts and culture and music are such a vibrant part of that. And, it's something that often we have it, and so we take it for granted. And then when we don't have it, or when we're not able to go to a concert, like we haven't been able to go, all of a sudden we realize, oh, it really is important. It really does matter. And I'm curious for you, what are you most looking forward to the next time you can make it to a Symphoria concert?
Well, Kelly, I have to tell you, you took the words right out of my mouth. I actually wanted to just elaborate on the fact that Symphoria isn't just, something that we go to as an event. It's an entire experience. And, again, with the pandemic that has been recently, we're coming out strong now, but you don't realize something until it's gone, and I feel like it brings us together, it connects us, and there's nothing that is, as special as going to the actual show and the lights shining down, the music playing, and the feelings that that you get afterwards. And it's just, you don't realize that life is very unpredictable, and it could, the unexpected could happen at any moment. And I think that it's important to take advantage of the opportunities you have for the things that you enjoy. And, we're very, very excited for that live experience, because it isn't just an event. It isn't just an entertainment type of thing. It's an entire experience.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that with Symphoria especially, we're very, very excited to get back into the whole setting of it so we can feel the eclectic experience.
Mm-hmm. And we're so excited too. And, we were hopeful that we would be able to have at least maybe some concerts in July. It's not looking like that's going to happen because of the way Phase 4 is rolling out. But I do want to encourage everyone to stay on the lookout because we're planning some chamber music concerts in Syracuse City Parks in late August and early September, as long as we get the green light from New York State on that. And so that it's not the big bright lights, but it is something, and it's
better, yeah.
Together.
It's better. I was going to say anything's better, than having to watch it through a virtual, a screen. It's just, it's about connecting with people in your community that have the same, love and passion for music and the arts as you do. And it's just, it's an incredible experience and there's nothing like it. And I'm just so excited for that experience. I'm so sorry. For that experience to happen again.
Yeah. Well, so if you could say anything to other Symphoria supporters today, what would you like for them to know?
Well, like I said, you kind of took the words out of my mouth. I mean, I agree completely. Like, we've been living the last few months, like, day by day. And, like I said, in any moment, the unexpected could happen. So it just goes to show the importance of, like, taking advantage of things we are passionate about. In this situation, I would say it's the music and it connects the community. And, just I want us to come out strong and I want us to support our local businesses because, like I said, that really brings a value to the community. And I just want our community to keep growing.
Mm-hmm. Well, from us at Symphoria, please let everyone at Olinsky Law Group know that we are grateful for you as a sponsor and a supporter and as someone who's passionate about music. And I know that it's not just you, Colleen. I know that so many employees from Olinsky Law come to our concerts and our events, and we're just really grateful for all of you. So thank you so much for being here with us today. And for those of you who have any questions or are curious to learn more about Olinsky Law, you can go to their website. I'll put it in the Facebook post and you can learn more about them. Thanks, Colleen.
Thank you so much for having me, Kelly.
Sure thing.